6 in the morning on the boat. Dad's getting Mom up, making coffee. Jellyfish saying goodbye. Bye, jellyfish. See you next time. Hanging at work, you know, the usual. So I'll turn off. Turn off. No. Alrighty, so I'm on my first break of the day on my 10. Glad for it too. I am tired already today, getting up at 6 to drive down here for 2 hours to be to work by 11, you know, but whatever. Yeah, I'm hoping today, like, Mom's gonna come in later and pick me up, and hopefully she's gonna take me to the store and maybe get me an video editing program so that I can, you know, edit and upload the vlog. I'm gonna pay her back for it later because I have bank things to sort out first and I need to cash my check anyways. But I'm hoping to have a video editing software by the end of the day so that I can actually do something with these clips that I've been taking so that they're not just sitting useless, because it really bums me out that Sony Vegas won't open. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to enjoy my 10. I'll see you fellas later. Off work now. Mom's gonna run in and grab her pay stub, but we might not be able to go look for video editing software, which would really suck because I want to edit this vlog and upload it, and you know, these couple days I've been doing this, but it's whatever. I guess we'll find out. Gotta go to the bank and see how much money we got, but I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, there's some people looking at me, so I'm gonna put you down for a minute.